Cryptanalysis is science of recovering the plain text of the message without having access to the key. So the key will be shared between sender and receiver, and cryptanalyst has to break the ciphertext to get the plain text. The assumption behind this statement is cryptanalyst has complete knowledge of the algorithm and its implementation, and whole security should reside in key itself, and the algorithm should be open or algorithm should not be secured. So security is in key and security is not by obscuring the algorithm. These are the possible attacks on cryptography. Let's list all the attacks one by one, and then I will try to explain every attack in detail in next slides. So these attacks can be ciphertext only attack, known plain text attack, chosen plain text attack. The meaning of all this attack is very much intuitive with the name itself. Next can be adaptive chosen plain text attack, then chosen ciphertext attack, chosen key attack, and last can be rubber hose or cryptanalysis or bribery, etc. Very important attack is ciphertext only attack. In this attack, cryptographer has a knowledge of n number of ciphertext packets only, and he has to find out either the plain text of those ciphertext packets or even better the key itself. So given is ciphertext of the many messages encrypted with the same key. So he knows C1, C2, Ci. So actually C1 is EK of P1, EK of P2, EK of Pi, etc. So his task is to find the plain text of these messages, means he has to find out P1, P2, Pi, or even better a key itself. So the key EK, the key with which the encryption is done, he can find out a key, or even the next plain text is also okay. Next attack is known plain text attack. So along with the ciphertext, he knows corresponding plain text message as well. So he knows P1 C1, P2 C2, and so on up to Pi Ci. Now C1 is actually a function of EK P1, so he knows C1 as well as P1. So his task is to find out this K. So the task is to find K, or algorithm to find out Pi plus 1 from Ci plus 1. So given ciphertext, he should be able to find out plain text for next messages. This is the next version of the last attack, that is known plain text attack. This is chosen plain text attack. So he has a control on plain text. So along with knowing plain text and ciphertext, he can choose the plain text that gets encrypted. So he knows P1 C1, P2 C2, Pi Ci, where P1 P2 Pi can be chosen by the attacker, and this chosen plain text gives more control to attacker. Again, the task will be again to find out the K key or the algorithm to infer Pi plus 1 from Ci plus 1. This is slight improvisation of the last attack, that is chosen plain text attack. It is adaptive chosen plain text attack. So along with plain text ciphertext pairs, choosing of plain text option, he can modify the plain text choice depending upon the result of previous encryption. So in this attack, the attacker is given all freedom. He can play with the encryption algorithm so that he can modify the plain text according to the last results of the encryption decryption thing. So he knows P1 C1, P2 C2 up to Pi Ci, where P1 P2 Pi can be chosen, and at his will he can change the plain text as well. Again, the final task is to find out key or to infer Pi plus 1 given Ci plus 1. With chosen ciphertext attack, upon all these attacks, it is very interesting attack, because in this attack the attacker can choose the ciphertext. In all previous attacks, we used to change the plain text, or we had some control, we can modify the plain text. In this attack, attacker can choose the ciphertext. Of course, attacker has access to decrypted plain text as well. So attacker knows C1, P1, C2, P2 up to Ci, Pi, and he can choose Ci's to get decrypted Pi's. Again, the final task is to find out the key. The typical application can be in public key cryptography. Say I am accessing some banking site, so I can give different encrypted pages to my browser, and my browser will decrypt all those pages. So I know, or I have access to encrypted pages as well and decrypted pages as well. So with this knowledge, can I decrypt the key, or can I find out the key, is the challenge in this chosen ciphertext attacks.